Happy weekend, everybody. What's your prediction? Are there going to be other campers down here?
Tonight might be. You might have a couple RVers down here.
I don't think there'll be anybody under tent because it's a long haul from the city for a Friday. But
Tomorrow you might get a few.
tomorrow we might get a few. There's usually tourists passing through here too, isn't there? Lately there have been in the summer. I hope we get our prime spot. So of course we're not putting in any fires this weekend because there's a fire ban on province-wide. So we got the old Coleman stove for cooking, and we are camping in the Kanguk without a stove. Of course, we don't need it. It won't dip much below 20 Celsius overnight, so we should be pretty
19
comfortable.
here now.
19 here now, but I don't think it'll go too low, much lower than that tonight. The overnights have been very, very warm. So, well, for Newfoundland anyway. Oh yeah, Friday night, honey. Date night.
Date night.
Date night. We haven't been here in a long while.
It was June, wasn't it?
Were we down in June?
Well, the Cape when we're rolling, end of June.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, you're right. Okay, so it hasn't been that long. It's been about 6 weeks, 7 weeks. Yeah. Hi guys, we just got here. Really glad I packed bug spray because let me tell you, it is pretty buggy. Anyway, I'll flip you around and show you. I'll flip you around here and show you how much the place has grown in. It's absolutely incredible. So last time we were here, I mean, this tripod is falling over, but last time we were here, there was a ban on fires on as well. I just can't believe how much of these little flowers, whatever they are, have grown up. And the grass around, like, holy smokes. It's nuts. Someone used to mow this, I think, like out of the kindness of their hearts, because it's not used to be a park, but it's no longer manned. Anyway, we're just unloading, as you can tell. Gerald's gone back for a second load, so I'm gonna go join him. You don't have to go very far before you hear the beautiful sound of the ocean, crashing waves. It's where we go to unwind. Our happy place. Starting to look familiar on the channel, no doubt. Good morning, everyone. We slept in this morning. You can see how high the sun is in the sky. Been up for a while, but I didn't catch the sunrise. I just rolled over, went back to sleep. The sound of the ocean is so fantastic in the mornings. And Daryl's cooking breakfast. It's gonna be good.
We came out to forage for a few raspberries and blueberries, but we've had so little rain this season that all the plants just seem to have shriveled up. Even the berries themselves, the berries just didn't grow very big at all, and then just dried up. We've literally only had like 2 days of rain the past couple of months. It's just been so dry. Everything is just a tinderbox. These are Cracker Jacks or bunch berries. They seem to be doing okay, but we're here now in the trees, and there's certainly more shade, so I guess they're not getting burnt out by the sun as much as the berries out in the meadow. Getting you an automated swing puller.
Oh, are you really? You are the bomb diggity. Thank you. Now I can swing myself in my hammock.
So is that an automatic swing puller if you gotta do it yourself?
I'll take it. There might be a NERP, an after breakfast NERP.
I suspect there will be.
Yes.
Are you smoothing it?
I'm struggling.
You're struggling. Yeah, what can I get for you? Mojito,
What time of day is it? 'Cause
cocktail.
I don't want to be completely ridiculous and drink it way in.
It is it's 5 to 10.
See, I knew it. Not much else is working, but my inner clock is just.
Can I get you some water?
I have my water.
You have your water.
Yep, check.
You don't need an umbrella.
No, I've got a nice canopy over my head.
Can I peel you some grapes? Yeah,
No,
big fan.
no, the movement of the hammock is keeping me cool.
Yeah.
In the shade. And I got my journal here, write a few words about I guess something fine.
Okay.
But yeah, otherwise I'm definitely smoothing it.
Okay. I think we found the mother load of Cracker Jacks over here. These seem to be riper than what we saw on the other side. We'll pick some of these for sure. It's our understanding that this used to be a community down here, even though we've never found much of a full graveyard, but this recently popped up. You can tell by looking at the saw cuts that obviously somebody took an old picnic table, cut it apart and made this. So this is not 1850 cross. This is relatively new. But I thought that this was kind of interesting. Over 12 bodies on the side of the hill. So we are certainly on a bit of a bank. But the rumor has it that this community is haunted, and that's why it was abandoned. Apparently late at night, you could hear children crying from out on the water all night long, screaming. The other half of the story that I heard is that seals give birth to their pups on the rocks out here in the cove, and it's the baby seals, the pups, the white coats, that's what you hear screaming at night.